know that we cannot see a road without a car. Similarly, we cannot see a car without windshield wipers. While driving in the rain or during snow, these wipers helps in a smooth drive. Have you ever wondered how it was designed? Are you wondering the story behind this? Then this video is for you. There is a saying that we will know the beauty of trees' shadow only during summer. Likewise, only while raining we will know the purpose of these wipers in our vehicle. Recently, in modern cars, windshield wipers are given the most important priority. Do you know who found this? The story of this will be more interesting than anything else. A little girl born on February 19, 1866 in Alabama of the US was named as Mary Anderson. I know that you're thinking, what is the connection between her and the windshield wiper story? Yes, there is. She's the one who found these wipers. Mary was always interested in finding something from her childhood. As a result, she created these windshield wipers. In 1902, when Mary went to New York City, it was a heavy snowfall day. She traveled around the city on a tram. Due to heavy snowfall, the front mirror of the tram was filled with snow. Often the driver had to stop the tram to wipe the snow. Each time to clear the snow, he had to stretch his head outside the window and clear. But still, it was not completely clean, which was also a waste of time for many. To make it easier, Mary Anderson wanted to find a solution. So, she created a new device after returning to Alabama. It was when she made a device with rubber like a blade which moves to and fro, which wiped the snow or rainwater on the mirror, so that drivers can operate it through a lever without making a stoppage. This was the basis on which these modern days windshield wipers are created. But during that time, when technology was underdeveloped, people were not convinced of Anderson's invention. They looked at her with some suspicion. They argued that these wipers might distract the driver's concentration. But Mary didn't give up. However, she sought a patent for her self-discovery on July 18, 1903. On November 10, 1903, the US Patent Office gave her the rights for windshield wipers. Still, none of the automobile companies accepted her idea. She was so concerned that no one had supported her invention. So, she refused to renew her patent rights. Therefore, the patent that Mary had got expired in 1920. During this time, the growth of the automobile sector was impressive and skyrocketing. Though Mary knew the importance of windshield wipers, she was not able to use it as the patent rights were outdated. So, Cadillac, who brought it to use, got the credit for creating the windshield wipers. In 1922, this company wipers were introduced in all the car models. Since then, all companies started using windshield wipers. But Mary Anderson, who found these windshield wipers, has no benefits out of this. To be short, she did not even get a single penny out of this. But yes, her name is still in the history. I hope you all like this video. If so, do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Or is it?